it's Nina. Thanks so much for joining me today for a new tutorial, and I'm featuring the Simon Says Stamp Limited Edition Holiday 2018 Tag Kit. This tag kit is filled with so many beautiful products that help you create some stunning tags that you can use on your Christmas gifts, on your baked goods for the holiday season, and so much more. So the tag that I'm creating today is a layered snowflake tag. I started off by taking the snowflake die set that's included in the kit, and I cut it 3 times from some white cardstock. The top layer of white cardstock is actually a shimmer cardstock from DCWV. It adds a really nice shimmery touch to the snowflake without it being distracting and super glittery. I covered a white tag with some of the snowflake pattern paper that's included in the tag kit. This gorgeous paper is from My Mind's Eye, and I covered the tag and just trimmed off the excess and then punched a hole through that paper to give me a nice tag that I can put some ribbon through. Also with the pattern papers, I cut a little scalloped border. I wanted some big chunky scallops, so I brought in this scalloped die set from Neat and Tangled, and I used that to create a border. I added foam tape to the back side of my border and added it to the bottom portion of my tag. I love how these peppermint stripes match so beautifully with the snowflake pattern paper. The snowflake, I doubled up 2 layers of foam tape onto the center portion of it and popped it up off of the tag, and then I moved on to creating my sentiments. The sentiments are from the Peaceful Christmas stamp set, which I happened to design for the tag kit, and I also designed the 2 die sets, the wreath and the snowflake die. Using one of the sentiments from that Peaceful Christmas stamp set, I cut the stamp in pieces so it says Christmas blessings, but they're now separated. I stamped the blessings onto red cardstock with embossing ink, and then the Christmas I stamped with embossing ink onto white cardstock. I'll emboss these with 2 different colors of embossing powder. For the Christmas word, I used antique gold, and you can see how that beautiful antique gold fine embossing powder picks up the details of this very delicate script sentiment. I trimmed out the sentiment using my fussy cut scissors, and I layered the sentiments onto the tag using foam tape. For the word blessings, I used 1 layer of foam tape, and then I used 2 for the word Christmas, and that gives a little bit of extra dimension and helps offset things a little bit, so this tag has a lot of interest. Of course, you have to add a little bit of twine and ribbon onto your tag, so I took a piece of red ribbon that I had in my stash, and I tied a bit of the Lawn Fawn red sparkle trimmings around the ribbon to tie it all together and also add a little bit of interest to that top portion of the tag. On the snowflake, I added a tiny little bow that I made using the twine that's in the kit, and I also sprinkled a few gems from Buttons and More, and this is the Peppermint Jazz Mix. I love how all of these pieces have come together to create this very modern and very dramatic holiday tag. This tag has a lot of character to it, and I really love the contrast of the black and the red and the white. Also with the kit, I used one of the beautiful coloring cards that's included in this tag kit, and I turned it into this beautiful card. I colored the wreath with Copic markers, and I added some Nouveau drops and some stickles onto different parts of the images for a little bit of dimension and shine. I used a bow from the Holiday Wreath die set, and I also stamped an extra sentiment using the Peaceful Christmas set. Underneath of the wreath, there's a piece of pattern paper, that gorgeous buffalo check. It looks so stunning with these colors that are in this wreath, and the whole entire kit is just so much fun to work with. If you're interested in the kit, I hope you will check it out because this kit is a limited edition kit and is only available while supplies last. If you miss out on the kit, however, many of the products are available for individual purchase. So I have links to everything down in the video description below, and you can head on over to my blog to get more information on both of these cards, including still pictures. Thanks so much for tuning in today for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll come back soon for more inspiration. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!